we're back at it with another AI agent store find.
Yeah.
This one I think you're going to like.
Okay.
It's called Agentive. And basically, it's all about making AI agents without having to be like a coder,
Okay.
which I know is something we've both been looking at. Like, how can we make this stuff more accessible to people?
Absolutely. Yeah, a lot of these tools are pretty intense on the technical side.
So Agentive really seems to be addressing that.
So this one is it's really looking like it's geared towards like businesses and agencies.
Okay.
And it's not just like one tool, it's like a whole platform
Gotcha.
to help you build manage your AI agents.
So they're trying to be like the one-stop shop for this whole AI agent creation process.
Yeah, that's the idea. And
Yeah.
they're really pushing this intuitive interface
Okay.
to make it simple, even if you don't know a ton about the technical side.
So you're saying like I could potentially build an AI agent even though I don't have like a computer science degree?
Yeah, theoretically, that's what they're going for.
That's pretty impressive.
It is.
So if it's geared towards businesses and agencies, who exactly are they saying would benefit most from using Agentive?
So they list quite a few professions, but mainly like business owners, agency professionals, automation engineers, project managers, software developers.
Okay, so like a pretty wide range there.
Yeah, wide range. Anyone who's looking to kind of streamline their workflow and maybe take some of the load off.
So like what are some like concrete examples of how those people would actually use Agentive?
Sure. So let's say you're a project manager. You know, you've got a million things going on.
Always.
You could create an AI agent on Agentive to handle like the routine stuff, like sending reminders, updating those progress reports, and even like analyzing the project data to like see if there are any potential delays or suggest solutions.
So it's not just like a glorified reminder app.
No. It's like having an AI assistant that actually understands your project.
Wow.
And can like think ahead.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, and it's not just project management. You know, let's say you're a marketing agency using it to manage social media.
Okay.
You could build an AI agent to analyze the audience engagement data and then automatically adjust your campaign strategy.
So like basically optimizing everything in real time.
Exactly, making sure you're getting the most out of your campaigns.
Okay. Now this is starting to sound really interesting, I got to admit.
Yeah.
But let's dive into the features a little bit.
Sure.
They mentioned these pre-built templates.
Yeah.
Which sounds great in theory, but doesn't that kind of limit what your AI agent can actually do?
So it's not about limiting, it's more about giving you a solid starting point.
Okay.
So you've got these templates for common use cases, but you can totally customize them.
Gotcha.
Like you can tweak the parameters, add your own data, even integrate external tools.
Oh, okay.
To really make it your own. It's like a blueprint, you know? You've got the basic structure, but you can modify it and expand it however you want.
So you kind of get the best of both worlds.
Exactly.
You get the speed of the pre-built template.
Right.
And the flexibility of customization.
Exactly.
I like that.
So another thing that really makes it stand out is the integrations.
Okay.
It can connect with a ton of different tools and platforms that you're probably already using.
Okay.
Like project management software, CRMs, marketing automation tools, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So it fits into your workflow.
Right.
Instead of disrupting it.
Okay. So now for like the million-dollar question.
Okay.
How do you actually measure whether these AI agents are doing what they're supposed to be doing?
So that's where the performance analytics come in. They have this dashboard where you can see all the key metrics, like task completion rate, time saved, even user feedback. It's like you've got this health monitor for your AI agent.
Interesting.
So you can see how it's performing and make adjustments as needed.
So you can constantly be optimizing it.
Yeah, exactly.
But I mean, all this sounds great, but I'm just thinking about our listeners, you know. Do you need to be like a tech whiz to actually use Agentive?
That's a fair point, but they've really tried to make it user-friendly.
Okay.
The interface is intuitive. They have a ton of documentation and support. It's kind of like building with Legos.
Okay.
You might need the instructions at first.
Yeah.
But the process is meant to be pretty simple and enjoyable.
Okay. So for everyone listening out there, how could you use Agentive to improve your work or your projects?
Yeah, think about it.
Yeah.
What are those repetitive tasks that you're doing?
Right.
What workflows could be smoother?
If I could build an AI to schedule my meetings for me, oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
That would be life-changing.
I feel that.
No more back and forth emails.
Exactly.
Like platforms like this really show how AI is changing the way we work.
It really is. It's exciting.
It is, and it's a little scary too.
Yeah, a little bit.
But mostly exciting.
Yeah, definitely.
So if you're interested in learning more about Agentive and other cool AI tools, head over to AIagentstore.ai.
It's a great resource.
It is, and I think Agentive really makes you think about the future of work.
It does.
Like, what's it going to look like when AI is handling so many of our tasks?
It's a good question.
Like, are the robots going to be writing these podcast scripts for us one day?
Maybe they'll even be hosting them.
Oh, gosh. I hope they have a better sense of humor than me.
Well, I think you're doing all right.
Well, on that note, we'll leave you to ponder the robot takeover.
Until next time.
See ya.
Bye.